A, B, C, D are points on the circle. AD is the diameter of the circle. So this one here is the diameter. Angle BCD is 118. Work out the size of angle ADB. So we want ADB. So it's going to be this little angle here we're going to have to find. Right, what we need to realise, as ABCD are points on a circle, then ABCD is what's known as a cyclic quadrilateral. Now, for a cyclic quadrilateral, their opposite angles add up to 180 degrees. So, angle BAD, this angle here, will be 180 minus 118, and the reason is opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to 62. So this angle here is equal to 62. Now we were told that AD is a diameter, therefore it goes through the centre of the circle, and then so triangle ABD is right angled, as AD is the diameter. This triangle here is right angle because using the angles of in a semicircle, this angle here will always be 90 degrees. Basically, if this is 180, this will be half of it, which is 90. Therefore, we've got this angle and this angle. We need to find this angle here. So using that triangle ABD, angle BDB is going to be 180 minus 90 minus 68, the angle sum in a triangle, and therefore that's going to give me an answer of 22 degrees. So this has been a video to show you how to use two theorems. A cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles add up to 180, and the angles in a semicircle are 90 degrees. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.